Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a food app in Figma. The first thing I'm going to do is to draw a frame. In this case I'll be using iPhone 8. So here is my frame. So I'm going to change the radius. You can see the radius here. I'll change it to 30. After doing that, as you can see, here is my logo, or the logo I'm going to use in designing this food app. So I'll just drag my logo into place. Alright, that is centered. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a rectangle in this case, and I'll give a width size of 297 and a height of 212. So in this case we have this, so I have to expand it a little bit to have a better view. So I'll give a radius of 30. So what I'm going to do next is to duplicate this. So just drag it down. Yeah, I think that looks nice. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring or to place the image I have. So in this case I will just go to place. So this will take me to my file where I save my images. So in this case I will just click on that and I'll move to here. So I'll just select either one. So in this case you can see this is the image. So I will do the same thing for this particular one. So I will just go to file, place image, then I have to choose one of the image I want to use. In this case I choose this one and I place it there. So next thing I'm going to do is to unlock that, and I'll give it radius of border radius of 30 as well. So what I'm going to do is to lock this again. So I will grab my rectangle tool and I will draw and give this a radius of 10. I have to duplicate this. So in this case I have to zoom it out so I'm able to see what I'm doing. So it snaps. So we'll give this particular one to color black. So that looks good. So far we are done with the designing of the home page. So you can also name it home. this. But in this case, I'll change the burger to chicken. I'll zoom out. I'll grab my change this percentage to white fill. Same goes for this one. So that looks better. The next thing I'm going to do is to create a sign up and login page. So I'll just duplicate this. So I'll just go ahead and delete this. So I'm going to change the value of the height and the width. 869456. So just put this here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring out a rectangle. So I'm going to draw out a rectangle. So what I'm going to do is to